We live close to the water. So a cup that you just throw out of the window onto Rivers Avenue, you might think, oh, big deal, it's just one cup. But then that gets blown by the wind, and it could end up in a marsh or a river, and then where does that lead? To the ocean. So sometimes you accidentally litter. I hope that if you are littering on purpose, that maybe today's lesson will change your mind. Have you ever done a litter cleanup? Oh, wow, very good. 32% yes. 29% no, and then also impressive, 38% would like to. Whose job is it to pick up litter? Whose job should it be? Volunteers? You guys think 44% should be volunteers. People doing community service, 32%. State government, 20%. And nobody really thinks private businesses should. Should the amount of litter be a concern? 88% of you said yes, and 11% said you don't know enough. So hopefully we'll get a little more knowledge to you today. So we're going to watch some videos with some information about littering and why it is a huge problem. Now what I want you to do is, in your group, I want you to share what you saw and why this is a global, important problem we need to be focused on. Okay? Take about a minute, minute and a half.
So there's an island in the Pacific where it's considered to have the worst litter issue in the world, but no one actually dumps the litter there. It just washes up from other beaches, and it's 38 million pieces. I think it's 671 pieces of plastic per square meter.
In mine, there was it said there's over 34 trillion just pieces of plastic in the ocean, and it's causing animals to eat it and, starve.
All right, so what your job is you're going to code a robot. So using robots to pick up litter actually makes a lot of sense. What is people's number one complaint about robots doing a job? What do we say? Why do we say, oh, that's bad because why? Matthew?
Take over our jobs.
It'll take over our jobs, right? Oh, it's going to take a human's job. But we just determined who's picking up all the litter. No one. No one. So robots wouldn't be taking anybody's job if we program them to pick up our litter. So you are going to program your robot to clean up 526, our simulated 526.
And we can tape it to the back.
That go over the button. You can't do it over the bottom. You have to do it in smaller pieces.
Yeah, you might have to cut the tape in half.
Cut it in half again, maybe.
Yeah, or lengthwise.
Yeah, you're right. Okay, do you have the code downloaded?
Okay, so it stops after that, so we need it to go longer.
Make sure you delete the U-turn completely, though, because we don't need to turn yet.
Are you sure? Because we'll go forward, the 500, and then we'll turn
sure.
and then go back.
But we don't need a U-turn, because U-turn will turn it completely around.
Right, we don't need that.
We would need it to pivot right.
We need to go, okay. Do you mind if I load bits?
But certain times
This is the start.
I'm going to have to move it this way.
We need it to go the other way.
Try negative 25. Because that's how the NXT programming works. Okay.
also I have a 5 liter. No, it's been a truck.
Yeah, okay.
Do we need a little less? Maybe try 23?
Yeah, 23, and if worse comes to worse,
We can just down it to
15.
2.
Yeah.
We can try that.
We're definitely gonna have to up the degree.
Yeah. Let's up it to 17.
It seems to be collecting.
Yeah, we need it to go farther. We might want to undo the thing. Okay. We're gonna just have to up the turn.
We're gonna have to make the arm.
Put tape on the front.
Ditch the entire design.
No.
On your mark, get set, clean. Make South Carolina beautiful.
Go, my son, go. I gotta rotate this off. Are you serious about me crashing, man?
Ours never done that.
Double click it. Try to get it to run.
No, son.
That's a problem.
No, son. Son, go. My son is done his job, and he's done it well.
Try it again. If it didn't work, try to go back to start and see if you can double click.
He has literally come back home.
Some of them are. Oh, he came all the way back.
Yeah, he came home.
Empty-handed?
No,
He dropped all his. Oh, this one kind of. What?
Problem we had was we couldn't. It was always turning to the right a little bit.
Okay.
So we all actually decided to make it skate and turn left every time, like turn slightly left.
That's good.
Every time it would go right.
Okay.
That's
nice.
why we had it straight.
Yeah, because a lot of people have problems with veering, and you were one of the few teams that kind of figured it out. So skating was key. That's a good clip. Okay, what about your pollution collector? What were some strengths and weaknesses?
Oh yeah, the strengths were that the collector we made, it would since it was kind of flat, either some would get on top and under it, so it would just carry it away on either side of it. And
have a seat, please.
a real weakness with it is that it wasn't very stable, but it was stable enough to hold until the end.
Okay, good job. You guys did great. You made it all the way across.